Yes, students, now we will discuss 2017 paper. First, we will start with mental ability. I'm sharing my screen. Yes, now the 2017 paper will start with mental ability first. So part 1 will go through the directions. Yes, mental ability. Part 1. In question number 1 to 5, there are two sets of two question figures each. The second set has an interrogation mark. There exists a relationship between the first two question figures. Similar relationship should exist between the third and fourth figure. Select one of the answer figures which replaces the mark of interrogation, and you have to darken that circle against that option. So it is analogy based question. So let's take the question number 1. So we need to identify the relation between first and second figure. Same relationship we have to apply on the third and fourth to get the fourth figure. So this is first question in analogy. Okay. So what is the relationship between first and third, first and second? So what happened? So the direction of the arrow mark, okay, first it is showing east. This is east direction. It became north. That means we can consider that it has rotated 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. So you can see the directions here: north, east, west, south. So from east it went to north. That means 90 degrees anti-clockwise it rotated. So in the same direction if it is rotating, so the arrow mark should, if arrow mark in this third figure, it is pointing west. So if it is rotating anti-clockwise direction 90 degrees, it should show south. So the arrow mark should be south, and here the arrow mark, the point, the end point of the arrow mark is inside the circle, but here it became outside. So the same thing should happen. It should be in the outside and it is showing south direction. So option C is correct. And let's take the next question. So we'll complete this part, then I'll take doubts. Second question. Yes, second one. Second question. Um, so the outside figure is a square and middle figure is a circle and this is a triangle. So but what happened here? The square became the innermost and the triangle, from innermost it became the second layer, and circle from second layer it became the outer layer. That means the outer layer becoming inner one, and inner is becoming the second one, and the second layer is becoming the outer layer. So same process we have to apply. So here the outer layer is triangle. So triangle should go completely inside. So triangle is completely inside, and then circle is in the second position from inside. So it is going completely out. So here the second position square should go completely out. Okay, this is completely out. And now, what is the other figure we are missing? Square and triangle over. Square and triangle over. Now we have to take circle. Triangle is innermost. It became second layer. So circle is innermost. It has to go to the second layer. So square, circle, and triangle. So in any direction it may be, but it is in square, circle, and triangle direction. So it is option C. And third one. Third question, analogy. So here, square and circle. So circle came to left and square came to right. But as right figure is coming to the left, it decreased in size, and left figure came to right, it increased in size. So the same operation if you are doing, okay. So square is increasing in size and circle is decreasing in size. So same thing if you do. So circle should decrease and square should increase. So where is the size? Yes, exactly matching size is both A and C. We have the same thing, but they have to interchange the places, right? So here they interchange the places, and option C having the places interchange. That is option C. And now fourth one. Let's take options. Yes, fourth one. Options will be taking. So fourth one. So here this arrow mark stays the same direction, but this vertical arrow mark has reversed. Okay. So if you go with the same thing, this arrow mark should be in the same direction and this should reverse. That is clearly seen in option A. So horizontal one is as it is and the vertical one has reversed. So it is seen in option A. And fifth one, we count the number of dots here. Okay. So 4, 3, 2, 1, but it became 3, 2, 1. So here, what is the change that happened? That means if you don't see that layer form, you see the just the triangle. Each side is having 4 dots. Each side is having 3 dots. So the number of dots in each side has decreased by 1. So the same thing if you do here, this rectangle, or let us say this is a square, because the number of dots on each side is same, 4 dots on each side, you have to decrease by 1. So we want 3 dots on each side. It is clearly seen in option B, 3 dots on each side. That is option B. So we're done with this part 1. So students, you have any doubts in part 1, you can raise your hand. Nishika, what is your doubt? Nishika?
Sir,
Yes, Nishika, what is your doubt?
sir,
Yes, ma, tell me.
sir, second one, why not option B?
Which question you are saying?
Sir, second one.
Second one, why not option B?
Sir, B for ball.
B for ball. Okay. We want square should be outside, no? Square, circle, triangle. But here it is circle, square, triangle. The order is reversed, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts you have, Nishika?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Sharath, what is your doubt? Sharath?
Sir,
Yes, Sharath, what is your doubt?
sir, in first question, why not option B?
Why not option
B.
B? See here, this arrow mark ended inside the circle only, but in this it went outside, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
here also the square, the arrow mark is inside, but in this fourth figure, it should go out. That is in option C. Okay. So this is
Okay,
analogy
sir.
based question. First and second figure, what is the relation? Same relation will be there between third and fourth. Sharad, you have any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Advait, are you listening to the class daily? Advait,
Sir,
are you listening to the class daily or today only the first day?
sir, first day only, sir. Second day also
Okay.
listening.
Okay. You have any doubt in these 5 problems?
Sir, fifth question.
Yes.
Sir, why not B, sir?
It's
Ah,
B only. I said option B.
sir, C.
Why not C? Because in this side there are number of dots is not equal to 3, right? So here 4
Okay,
dots,
sir.
4 dots, 4 dots, and similarly in the answer figure also we want 3 dots, right? So here 3
Okay.
dots, but here there are not 3 dots. That's why it's option B only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, and very good, Advait. You listen to the class daily, and Himanshu, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Himanshu.
I didn't understand fourth question.
You didn't understand
Fourth question.
fourth question. Okay, let me explain. Yes, fourth one is here. So fourth one, let me erase all these marks. Right. Okay, now you can see this is horizontal one. What happened to the horizontal one, Himanshu?
Sir, not moved.
It didn't change, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this third figure also it should not change. Okay, it is as it is. Let me draw for you like this. Okay. Now let us see the vertical one. What is happening to the vertical one? This is the vertical one. What happened to the vertical one?
Sir,
It reversed, right?
sir, it
It
reversed.
reversed. So here also this should reverse. That means the arrow mark should point up, then the tail is here. So it's clearly seen in option A, right?
Sir, okay, yes, sir.
Okay. And Himanshu, you have any other doubt?
Sir, no.
Tanush, what is your doubt? Tanush?
Sir,
Yes, which question?
sir, fifth question.
Fifth question. So number of dots in each side you can calculate you can count in this triangle. Four dots in each side.
Sir, but
Four.
in first group, it is -4.
It's not -4. It is no. I'm not counting the total number of dots. I'm counting number of dots in each side. Okay. The number of dots in each side. How many? Four. And this became three, right? That means in each side the number of dots is decreasing by one. Okay. Yes, Tanush.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let's go to the part two now. So part two, let's go to the directions first. In question number 6 to 10, one part of a geometrical figure, it may be triangle, square, or circle, is on the left side as question figure, and the other one is among the four answer figures ABCD on the right. Find the figure on the right side that completes the geometrical figure. Okay, so this is figure completion. Okay, so let's take the first question in this part. Yes. So if this is a square, you have to imagine, and then to complete this, we want this part. So where is this part? So we can clearly see that it is there in option A. So option A is correct. Let me erase this for you completely. Then you can see option A will make it a square. Okay. And now seventh one. Seventh one. Okay. So option A clearly does not fit into the gap. B also. C may be true, but may be correct, but this is like thick in size or longer in size. That means C is not matching. D will be matching. Option D. And now we are going to the eighth one. Eighth question. So which of the given options is matching? So either A or B, but I don't think A will fit because A's this part is smaller than the required one. So option B is correct. B fits into it perfectly. And now ninth one. Ninth one, completing a circle, and the correct answer is definitely C. It's very simple. And tenth one, yes, tenth one. The correct answer is to complete a square. Clearly option D because you can see the pattern of this curve. Those two must match. So it is option D. And students, you have any doubt in part two? You can raise a hand. Charvika, do you have any doubt? Charvika?
Sir,
Yes, Charvika.
sir, seventh one.
Seventh one. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, seventh one B.
B. Do you think B? B will match here? No. Wrong. So you can see the pattern. Or else you can just try to complete a square. You can see the pattern. See, you complete this square. So this part is matching with the D, right? Yes, Charvika?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, ninth one also doubt.
Come again, Charvika. Ninth one you want?
One.
Okay, ninth one. Ninth one is simple. Directly that part fits into it, right? Yes, Charvika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Satvik, your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Satvik.
sir, suddenly I touched.
Vishwajit, your answer today, Vishwajit.
Sir, tenth one, I, I am not understand.
Vishwajit, I'm asking you that today you're absent. Can you know the reason?
Sir, fever came.
Fever. You missed the test today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your doubt?
Sir, tenth one.
Tenth one. Tenth one is very simple. I have shown the pattern also. This S-shaped pattern is seen in option D only, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it, option D.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we're going to the next part. That is part number 3. Okay, part 3. Part 3 is mirror images. Okay, anyhow, let's read the directions once again. Part 3. Directions for question number 11 to 15. There is a question figure on the left side and 4 answer figures are marked A, B, C, D are given on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the mirror image of the question figure when the mirror is held at XY. So when the mirror is at XY, we should find the mirror image. Okay. So the mirror may be kept vertically or horizontally. So we have to take care of the position of the mirror. If it is vertical, then it is actually the mirror image. But if it is horizontal, we may be getting a water image also. Okay, 11th one. So mirror is placed vertically and we will get the mirror image here. Everything will become left to right. So which option is correct? I can see this part, yes, this part, option B, yes, option B is matching. Option B is a mirror image. And 12th one, 12th one, let's take the options. Yes, 12th one, let's take the options A, B, C, and D. Okay, now the mirror image we want, that is 12th one, arrow mark right, arrow mark left, and everything is correct with option B. Option B is a mirror image. So left to right will become right to left, and this is as it is symmetrical figure. Yes, students, we want the 12th one, that is the mirror image is option B. Now 13th one, Yes, 13th one. The correct answer is left becomes right and clearly option D. And 14th one. Yes, 14th one. This line should extend to the right side and this line right, and it is option B. B is correct. And 15th one. Last question in this part. 15th one. The letter R in mirror image, how it will look like. So it will be something like this, right? Okay, it's seen in option A. Yes, these are the answers. Students, if you have any doubts in this part, you can raise a hand. Aditi, what is your problem? Aditi?
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
Aditi.
sir, 14th one, how the option is B, option A, sir.
Let me draw it for you. See how I am drawing. So first of all, the base will be like this, right?
Yes, sir.
And this part, so it will start from here. It will start from here and it will go till here. And
Okay.
this part mirror image will be looking like this, right? So clearly
Okay.
option A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
The other two lines as it is because it is symmetrical. That's it. Option B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any other doubt, Aditi?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. And Sharath, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Sharath.
sir, your voice is stucking.
Now it is clear.
Sir, again stucking.
Now, no. Now also it's problem. Sharath, can you?
Sir, now clear.
Okay, tell me what is your doubt now?
Sir, no doubt.
No doubt.
Yes.
Vilochan, what is your doubt? Vilochan, Vilochan, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, I am raising hand, but in previous part, but
Previous part we will discuss later.
sir, but you not raise my hand.
Okay, because every question discussion is over, is taking already so much of time. You can ask me personally, okay? Vishwajit,
Sir,
yes.
your voice is talking.
Now tell me what is your problem? What
Sir,
is your doubt?
sir, no doubts.
No doubt. Srivardhan, Shamit,
Sir,
Shamit, what is your doubt?
you are telling to other students,
Okay,
your voice is stuck and cutting, sir.
okay. I think it's okay now.
Now, okay, sir.
Do you
You
have any
explain
doubts?
to other students. It's
Yeah, yeah.
short.
I received that problem and I have raised the complaint to the developers and they will look into this issue 1 or 2 days. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So let's go to the next part. Part number 4. Yes, part number 4. In question numbers 16 to 20, a piece of paper is folded and punched as shown in the question figures on the left, and 4 answer figures ABCD are marked on the right. Select the answer figure which indicates the paper will appear when opened or unfolded. Okay, 16th question, let us take the options. Okay, so first the paper is folded from left to right, then bottom to top, and there they made a punch or they made a hole in this manner. Okay, in this manner. Now, when you open it for the first time, That means I can show you in this figure only how the hole is made. So here in this part, here the hole is made. When you open it down, you get the hole here, and when you open completely left, you'll get the complete square and holes are visible here. So it will be something like option B. Okay. So that is the answer. And 17th one. 17th question. So the square shaped paper is folded on the diagonal down and from top to bottom. And here, when you fold for the first time, you got two layers of paper. When you fold it again, you got four layers of paper. And there is a circular punch and there is a rectangular punch. Both are done. So those must be repeated four times. Why? Because four layers of paper are there. Okay. So when you unfold for the first time, the circle will be visible here and the rectangle will be extending like this. And when you open it completely, these two circles will be visible here and this complete rectangular space will be like this. It's clearly seen in option C. And 18th one. 18th question. Now a circular paper is taken and it is folded up and from right to left and two holes are punched. Now when you open for the first time, those two circles will be visible like this, and when you open completely, the circles are visible like this. So 18th one, the correct answer is A, option A. And 19th one. 19th question. Square paper is folded down on the diagonal and bottom to top, and there was a again they have folded. So two layers here, four layers here, and they again folded eight layers. So one circular punch is there. So we can see the circle eight times repeating. Okay. So 19th one, you're getting the correct option will be. So when you open for the first time like this, and these two will be repeated like this, and these two will be repeated like this and like this. So you can see the pattern is there in option C along with the folds. And 20. 20th question. Yes, this one. The square shaped paper is folded up and from right to left, and in that square shaped paper, triangular space and this triangular space are being cut. Okay, so when you open for the first time, the triangular space will be visible here and here, and this space will be extending like this. Okay, and here this corner and this corner, and remaining square will be everything as it is. So this pattern is clearly seen in option A. In option A. So this part, you have any doubts, you can raise a hand, students. Vedashree.
Sir,
Vedashree, you are calling me through WhatsApp.
yes, sir.
Why are you calling me in the class?
Sir, I hand raised, but sir, you are not calling, sir.
Don't call me in the class time, okay?
Okay, sir.
Tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, sir, I asked previous year two questions, sir. You not hand raised.
No problem. You can ask me in the institute personally, but in this part, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. And Lokesh, what is your doubt? Lokesh,
Sir, sir, in 19th question, option A, no, sir.
you're asking 18th one?
Sir, 19th.
19th one. Yes. 19th one will get eight holes. Why? Because the paper is folded three times, no? So eight layers are formed, and when you make one hole punch, it will be repeated eight times like that pattern. Okay. And Tanush, what is your doubt?
Sir, in 20 question.
Question number 20. Yes. What is your doubt?
Sir, it is option B, no?
It's not B. I'll draw once again. See here. Yes. So let me draw somewhat big so you can understand. This is a square shaped paper, right? In this part they have removed this part. So they have actually folded it like this. The folds will be visible like this, and this part is removed. And when you open for the first time, this part will be visible here and this part will be visible here as holes. And when you open it down completely, you'll get the holes like this. I hope you understood now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now, Hansvika, what is your doubt? Hansvika,
Sir, 16th.
16th one. Yes, tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, 16th one explain.
Okay, let me draw it for you somewhat big. Yes, see this? Let me draw it here. So this is the complete square shaped paper. They are folding it on the right from the middle and from here up. So in this part is being removed, right?
Yes, sir.
So this part, when you open it for the first time, the hole will be visible here.
Yes, sir.
When you open it completely, and it will be visible here and here also. And
Yes,
this
sir.
previous part will be the paper left, and the remaining are holes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and we will go to the next part. See, in every part, so same already questions are discussed. The same question other students are asking. So many hands are raising. So so the time constraint will be there for us because daily we are writing one test, and if I give chance for all the students, so we may not complete the paper discussion in two sessions also. That's why each question at least once I have taken for the second time explanation. That is enough. So still you have any doubts, you can feel free to ask me in the institute. Okay, so we are going into the next part. Yes, part 5, go through the directions. In question number 21 to 25, a question figure is given on the left side and four answer figures are marked A, B, C, D are given on the right. Select the answer figure which can be formed from the cutout pieces given in the question figure. That means it is space visualization question. Pieces will be given. Using those pieces, what or which figure we can form? That is a question. So we'll take question number 21. Yes, question number 21. What we can do? Option, clearly option, I think it is option C or D. It's definitely not A because you take care of the smallest part, it is bigger than the question figure. So option A is eliminated because of that. But C and D, even if you compare C and D, the smaller part is somewhat longer than option C, somewhat bigger than option C. So we can choose option C. And 22nd one, this is 22nd question. So four triangular parts are there, and how can we arrange them to get the answer? Definitely option A is wrong because this part we have not given in the question. We are not given in the question. And option B, this is bigger than the other parts. Option B eliminated. And option D, quadrilateral shapes are not at all given. Option D is eliminated. And you can see option C, all are available. Option C is the correct answer. And 23, 23. Yes. Option B is eliminated because this shape we didn't have in the question. Option C might be correct. We may get option C and option A both. But option D is definitely wrong. We can get both A and C. Yes, we can get. So we're going with option E. Okay, for this, both A and C are possible. That's why we're going with E. 24. 24th one. So using these parts, what can be prepared? Attach them in the same manner, and you'll be getting option B. So you can see everything is going in the same direction. You'll be getting option B. You can eliminate in another way also. Like you can count the number of parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 5 parts eliminated. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts eliminated. These are also, this is also having 5 parts eliminated. So only one thing is remaining, having 4 parts. You can count the number of parts also for elimination. Okay. So 25th one, last question in this part. Yes, 25th one. 25th. So we have already discussed one thing, that is, if more than one answer is possible, without rotation, whatever is possible first, you can give the priority. So in that case, we can go to option B. So for one question, we used E. So rotation, option C. To get option C, rotation must be required, but option A, rotation is not required. So we can go for option A because we are giving priority for the ones without rotation. We can place option A. We are going for option A only. So to create option C, rotation must be done. This is by rotation only. So when two options are possible without rotation and by rotation, then you give priority to without rotation only. So in this part, so you have any doubt, you can raise a hand now. Chidrupa. Chidrupa, what is your doubt?
Sir, but in question they didn't give without rotation, sir.
Yeah, that is not given, but I have told you already in the class. Every time, whenever you get more than one option, without rotation one possible, and with rotation also one figure possible, give priority to without rotation, right? Do you remember or not, Chidrupa? One of the previous question paper also same thing happened, and I explained clearly. So whenever two options are possible without rotation and with rotation, next time you will be giving priority to which one?
Rotate with rotations.
With or without?
Sir, without.
Yes, without we have to give priority. And Satvik, your doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
once your voice is striking.
Now tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, nothing.
Okay. Jayvant, do you have any doubt? Jayvant? Jayvant, do you have any doubt?
Sir, in 25th question, I have doubts, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, it 25th one, I think option E, sir.
Why option E?
Sir, option A and B are correct, sir.
See, to create this part, you must rotate the parts given in the option. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means this can be created, this option A can be created only by rotation, right?
Yes, sir. But you said sometimes option E also possible.
No, what I'm saying is when two options are possible without rotation and with rotation, always give priority to without rotation. I told you in the one of the previous papers also, and even
Sir,
in the class discussion also.
Sir, I searched in internet also, sir.
Okay, no problem. You remember this as a rule. Whenever next time more than one answer are possible, you always give priority to without rotation. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll go to the next part now. Part 6. Yes, part 6 directions. In question number 26 to 30, a question figure is given on the left side and 4 answer figures are marked ABCD on the right side. Select the answer figure in which the answer figure is hidden or embedded. So the question part, wherever it is hidden, you have to identify that. Okay. So this is like hide and seek. So you have to find the hidden part. So 26th question. So where it can be found? 26th one. I can't see it in A, B, C, or D. Yes, D it is visible here. I will show with yellow pen. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines. You can see that option D. And 27th one. 27th one, I can't see it in option A, B, C, D. It is visible. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Yes, option D. And 28th one, no, 28, 29, and 30. 28th one, this part I can see in option B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, option B. And 29th one can be seen in option A only. This part, this part. Otherwise, you can take this part, this part. So it is available in two places, but I cannot see that in any other option. Option C, I can see, but it is a mirror image. So option A. And 30. 30, option A, no. B, no. C, no. D, yes. C, 1, 2, 3. Three parts are seen in option D. So in this part, you have any doubts, you can raise a hand. Sharath, you have any doubts? Sharath? Sharath, do you have any doubts? Sharath, you're not audible to me. Vedashree?
Sir,
Yes, Vedashree.
sir, I doubt in 20 questions, sir.
Question number 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we don't go to the previous part. You can ask me in the institute. Lokesh?
Sir, 27th question, they also, there no, sir.
No. In A, this part is a curve, right? But here it is a straight line. Okay?
Sir,
And Emvarshini, what is your doubt? Emvarshini?
sir,
Yes.
26 are not understand, sir.
26 one I have clearly shown. It is available here. So let me erase this part. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 segments. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's it. Okay,
Thank
we
you,
go
sir.
to the next part now. Part 7. Part 7. In question number 31 to 35, four figures ABCD have been given in each question. Of these four figures, three figures are similar in some way and one is different. Select the figure which is different. This is odd one out. So why it is different? Three are alike, three are similar and one is different. So why it is different you have to identify. Okay. 31. So what is the difference here? So in the curves part, there is no difference. But coming to the polygons, rectangle, rectangle, rectangle. But coming to option C, it is a rhombus. So option C is correct. In only option C, we have rhombus and rest all are rectangles. And 32, 32. It's very simple actually. The outer part is missing in option C. Now 33, 34. Okay, which one is odd one out here? Hmm. Option A, if you rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise direction, you will be getting option B. And option B, if you rotate 90 degrees clockwise, we are not getting option C. But option, that means we cannot get C from them. But with B, is D possible? Hmm. B and D also by rotation not possible. But yeah, it is not about the rotation actually. Actually, it is not about the rotation. It is about which type of arrows are having which tails. Okay. See, this arrow mark is always having, like, let us say parallel, equal to symbol. So this arrow mark equal to symbol, arrow mark equal to symbol. But only difference is there in option C. And this circled one is having one line, circled one is having one line, circled one is having one line, but it is different in option C. So option C is different, odd one out. And 34th one. So it's very simple. Two arrows, two arrows, two arrows. But here the two arrows are on the same line. Okay, that is option D. And 35th one, last question in this part. Yes, 35th, counting the number of lines 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So except option C, all the others are having three line segments. So odd one out is option C. And students, any doubts in this, you can raise a hand. Saurish, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Saurish.
sir, sir, 33.
Yes, 33.
Sir, C, you kept wrong, sir.
I'm sorry. That means I mean to say that it is odd one out. It is correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Advait, what is your doubt? Advait,
Sir,
what is your doubt? Why did you raise a hand?
35th one.
30?
The B, why not?
Which question number? 34 or 32?
Sir, 35.
35. See, you want to write letter A. 1, 2, 3. Three lines are required, right?
Okay.
To write F, how many letters are, how many lines are required? 1, 2, 3, right?
Yes, sir.
To write M, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir,
And to
yeah,
write,
2 lines only have.
yeah, M4. To write Z, 1, 2, 3. So that's why this is odd one out. So except
Yes,
M,
sir.
all are having three lines, but M is having four lines, right?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Advait, tell me.
Sir, yeah, 2 lines only have, no, sir.
Why two lines? You count number of lines. 1, 2, 3, right?
Sir, standing line also count.
Count everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And Jayvant, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Jayvant.
sir, 35th question, option A also possible, no, sir?
You're saying vowel and consonant.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this confusion is always there in mental ability. More than one answer may be possible. And so the question paper setter, so that will be final. So they are taking into consideration number of lines. That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Karthik, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Karthik.
sir, 35th one. That is answer D also, no, sir?
Why D? Why D? Karthik, can you say the reason why it is D?
Sir, A is 1, 1, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6.
Okay. Okay.
6, 6 plus 7,
Okay.
5, 7.
Karthik,
M
is
is
it
equal to
first of all,
13.
Karthik, you mention which part it is. We are in series. We are in series or we are in odd one out.
Sir, odd
So
one
you
out.
are solving it like a series question. In series question, you have to solve like that. In series question, first figure to second figure, there will be a relation. Second to third, there will be a relation. Like that, you can continue. But in odd one out, you should not see like a series question. It is odd one out means every question is different, but all of them are having similar property except one that we have to identify. Okay.
Sir, but they, they are in
Don't
odd numbers order.
see
But
from
it is
first
not
to
order.
second, second to third, third to fourth. It is seen in series, but it is not series question. It is odd one out. Okay. Yes, Karthik.
Sir,
Karthik, are you satisfied or you still need explanation for your answer?
sir, I understand it.
Okay, you are solving it like a series question. It is not series, it is odd one out. So in odd one out, three options will be similar and one will be different. Why it is different, we should find. But you are solving it like first to second, what is the difference? Second to third. So it is series, that is series pattern. It is not series. Okay. Aditi, what is your doubt? Aditi? Yes, Aditi, what is your doubt, ma? Aditi, you are not audible. Abhyuday, what is your doubt?
Sir, you
Yes.
told the intelligence more than options will come.
Which question?
Sir, 35, sir,
Yes.
34.
Yes, 34.
That in intelligence more than one answer will come.
Okay.
Sir, then
Not always, but sometimes. Sometimes we may get more than one answer.
so why we don't get E?
Which one E we didn't keep? That is 35th.
Sir, no, sir. Sir, more than one answer will come, you said, na?
See, that is sometimes it might be creating confusion, but who creates the question paper, their key will be final. That's it. Okay.
Sir, 34th answer.
Okay. One more part we will discuss. After that, we stop the class and we'll continue tomorrow. So, part 8. So, part 8, let's go through the directions. So part 8 is this. In question number 36 to 40, a question figure is given on the left side and four answer figures marked A, B, C, D on the right side. Select the answer figure which is exactly the same as, that is similarity. So this is the easiest of all the parts. So 36. So you have to find the option which is exactly matching. 36 exactly matching in option D. So you can see plus minus dot and into pattern and the diagonals also. 37, 37th one. So this pattern is seen in option B clearly. You can see other parts are missing in other options. 38, 38, the upper line is having two arrow marks on both sides. Option D is eliminated, and the lower line is having left arrow and right tail. Option A is eliminated, and B, C are left. Now let us take care of the dots. One dot, five dots. Yes, option C is eliminated. I can see five dots here, but I can see only four dots. Let's take care of the other parts in option B. Is it everything matching? Yes, option B is exactly similar. And 39. So for similarity, elimination method will be suitable for almost all the questions. You just concentrate on one part. Whichever option is missing that part, you can keep eliminating that. the remaining will be your correct answer. So that is elimination method. 39. So two eyes, one nose, one mouth. So which is matching everything? I can see it is option C. And last question in this part, with which we are going to wind up this session. Last question today's discussion, 40. So option A, no. Option B, maybe. Option C, B, C may be creating confusion, but option B, I think it is somewhat bigger. No, option C only somewhat smaller. B is matching. Yes, B. Option B. So students, doubts in this set. If you have any doubts, you can raise a hand. Vilochan. Vilochan, you're not audible. Tanush.
Sir,
Yes, Tanush, what is your doubt?
sir, I have doubt in 25th.
25th, we don't go that much back. You can ask me in class tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Anuvijay. Anuvijay, what is your doubt?
Doubt in previous year question.
Previous part.
Yes, sir.
Ask me tomorrow, class. Srivalli.
35.
Srivalli. Rutvik, 35. So 35. 35 is from previous part, no?
Yes, sir.
You can discuss with me tomorrow. Vedashree, similarity, you have any doubt?
Sir, in 36 question option, sir, 37 question I did not understand, sir.
37, in option A, this part is missing. And in option C, this line is missing. And in option D, both lines are missing. So all are available in option B only. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, that's it from today's class. Thank you for joining. And we will continue discussing this paper in tomorrow's morning. But 2014 paper discussion is over now. I'll be trying to give you a result by tonight. So tomorrow we'll continue this paper. Thank you for joining, all of you. You may leave the class now.